For hundreds of millions of users around the world, WhatsApp is a necessary part of our smartphones. Though it might be a third-party app you download from the App Store on your phone, WhatsApp is as essential as the standard SMS app on your device, perhaps even more so. As with most messaging apps, verifying your mobile number when signing up or logging into your WhatsApp account is a necessary step in order to strengthen your account's security and privacy. It works by requiring you to enter a 6-digit code that is sent to your mobile number associated with your account. However, you may find that the code just never reaches your phone, leaving you in sign-up limbo. If you're looking for some steps you can take to solve this problem, you've come to the right guide. Before getting into solutions, know that you should never try and waste your time trying to guess the code. Entering the wrong code multiple times will lock you out of WhatsApp for a while. So if you don't receive a code in a few seconds when you already should have, waiting it out is the most obvious thing you can do. This is probably, and understandably so, the last thing you want to hear. But on the bright side, WhatsApp lets you request a new code either via SMS or an automated voice call if you still haven't received one after 10 minutes. This verification code problem is usually because of bad reception or network issues, so make sure that you have an optimal reception and internet access. Because you can't always tell if you have bad reception, one thing you can do is have someone send you a text message and see if it comes in. And while a proper internet connection has nothing to do with sending and receiving text messages, it's best to check it anyway since the app still needs to communicate with the internet to send out verification codes. Restarting your phone is another thing you can try to do. As soon as your phone is up and running again, you're free to take another stab at the verification process. If this still doesn't solve the problem, try reinstalling WhatsApp and start on a clean slate to get rid of glitches within the app or corrupted cache files if there are any. Just tap and hold on the app and select uninstall, then download it again from your device's respective app store. Finally, keep in mind that occasionally web services do go down, causing slowdown when it comes to sending verification codes. Just be patient, and before you know it, you'll be good to go. If you like this guide, make sure you subscribe for all sorts of videos covering WhatsApp and other technology. And do not forget to check out one of these videos we think you might enjoy.